If you are visiting Cambodia, Battambang is the best place you should visit. This province offers numerous tourist attractions, including ancient temples. However, the highlight of your trip should be the bamboo train ride, which allows you to appreciate and enjoy the beautiful countryside of this country. The bamboo train, known locally as Norry, is a unique and informal rail transport system that originated in Cambodia, particularly in the region of Battambang. It's essentially a small, makeshift railway vehicle made of a bamboo platform set atop two axles with wheels. The platform is driven by a simple motor, usually a small gasoline engine, and can be easily disassembled and removed from the tracks when another train approaches. Originally, the bamboo train was created as an improvised means of transport by local villagers after the formal train service in Cambodia became unreliable or ceased to operate in some areas. It was a practical solution for transporting people, goods, and even livestock through rural areas where roads were poor or non-existent. The bamboo train is renowned not just for its ingenuity, but also for the thrilling experience it offers due to the exposed nature of the ride and the speed at which it can travel on the old, uneven tracks. The Battambang bamboo train, locally known as Norry, has a rich history that dates back to the late 20th century. This unique form of transportation emerged as a creative response to the deteriorating rail infrastructure in Cambodia. During the Khmer Rouge regime in the 1970s, Cambodia's railway system was severely damaged, and by the time peace was restored, much of the track was in disrepair. In the rural province of Battambang, locals needed an efficient way to transport goods and people. The bamboo train was born out of this necessity. Constructed from lightweight bamboo platforms placed on wheels and powered by small motors, these makeshift trains could traverse the damaged tracks quickly and cheaply. Over time, the bamboo train became a symbol of Cambodian resilience and ingenuity, attracting tourists who wanted to experience this one-of-a-kind journey. Despite its rudimentary design, the bamboo train is surprisingly fast. It typically travels at speeds of around 15 to 30 kilometers per hour, 9 to 18 miles per hour, though it can reach up to 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour, on smoother sections of track. While this may not seem particularly fast compared to modern trains, the open-air design and the lack of any safety barriers make the ride feel much quicker. The sensation of speed is heightened by the clattering of the wheels on the uneven tracks and the wind rushing past as the train zips through the Cambodian countryside. The bamboo train is a marvel of simplicity and resourcefulness. It consists of a rectangular bamboo platform that rests on two barbell-like sets of wheels, which are repurposed from old train axles. A small gasoline or diesel engine, often taken from a motorcycle or other small vehicle, powers the train. This engine drives a belt that turns the wheels, propelling the train forward. The entire contraption is assembled on-site, often within minutes, and can be easily disassembled to allow other trains to pass on the single-track railway. This quick assembly and disassembly process is crucial, as it allows for the efficient use of the track by multiple bamboo trains in both directions. The train is stopped by cutting the engine and using a makeshift brake, often just a piece of wood pressed against the wheels. The bamboo train is not only a mode of transportation, but also a cultural experience. For tourists, a ride on the Norry offers a glimpse into rural Cambodian life and the ingenuity of its people. The train route often passes through picturesque landscapes, including rice paddies, villages, and dense forests, offering travelers a unique perspective on the Cambodian countryside. However, with the modernization of Cambodia's railway system, the future of the bamboo train has become uncertain. In recent years, parts of the old track have been upgraded, and the government has been working on developing a new railway system. This has led to the discontinuation of the original bamboo train route in Battambang province, though a shorter, more tourist-focused route has been established to preserve this cultural icon. The bamboo train remains a testament to Cambodian resilience, creativity, and the ability to adapt in the face of challenges. Whether as a practical solution for local transport or as a tourist attraction, the Norry continues to captivate the imagination of those who experience it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave your comments, like, and subscribe.